So, hi guys. Still in the process of moving. The house is getting pretty empty. This is where the table used to be. Just going to do a quick tour. Last lamp. My bed is deassembled, one of the beds. Mattress, 2 cabinets to go. And then the washing machine. Okay, you're not interested in that, I understand. That's fine. Vacuuming, blah blah blah. Alright. And my living area is pretty much empty. So, bed. Of course, my 2 beds are gone, and I asked my brother-in-law, can you fix me up with an air bed? And this is what he came up with. I just thought that he would, you know, GoPro, take a picture. GoPro, take a picture. Never mind. I have voice command on this thing, but it doesn't work. Intex, this is what it is. I thought this is a regular air bed that you have to pump with your feet. Oh no! Oh no! It's much more cooler than that. If you've never seen something like this before, it's the coolest thing ever. It has one speed, not a speed, but it has one for deflating, one for inflating, like it's doing right now. It's absolutely freaking fantastic. I've never seen anything like it. And it's huge. Huge. Thank you, brother-in-law. I have the best brother-in-law in the universe. You should be here in 10-15 minutes to get the rest of the stuff, but you get the idea. I just wanted to show you this because this can really help somebody who is, you know, if you're camping or you're traveling. So it's called Intex. This is what it looks like. They're here. Alright. It's pretty warm for the time of year, 21.5 Celsius. Still going, still going, still going. Awesome. This is so great. 20 years ago you had to do that with your feet, but not now. Oh, there he is. The best brother-in-law in the universe. Look at that.
Dan zijn er heel zachtjes leegloos.
Okay.
Dus op een gegeven moment dat je elke aan de lul herinneren. Slaapt heerlijk.
Oké. Ik vind het geweldig.
Hè?
Ik vind het geweldig. Ik heb nog nooit zoiets gezien.
Ja.
Dat is een manier bestand.
Ik heb last van mijn rug en dan hebben we deze gekocht.
Ja.
En dat staat op vakanties perfect met dit.
Onvoorstelbaar.